Good day, everyone. Welcome to Cad Cafe. On this job, we're taking you through the objective of how to use the offset tool. All right, so let's just quickly change our millimeter. Okay, our dimensions are already set to mmgs, that's millimeter, gram, and second. So let's go ahead to sketch on the front plane, and then let's just sketch a circle. All right, at the circle. Okay, so and let's just go ahead and click the offset entity. So this actually add a sketch entity by offsetting first edge or curve or sketch entity a specified distance. So you could see what happens right now. So we're simply replicating this circle at a specific distance, okay? And distance is 10 millimeters. So I'm choose to increase it to 20 millimeters. All right. Okay, so um let's try 5 millimeters. So that's okay. And then there are several other features. So you may choose to reverse this, that's take it inward. Okay, so you could see that the sketch has been reversed. And then we have the bi-directional. So this uh, keeps the outside circle and the inner circle intact. Okay, so you don't actually just reverse it. So you even need the this circle to replicate it outside and inside, externally and internally. So you use the bi-directional. Okay, then the reverse only makes it one-sided. Okay, that's internally. And you may choose to construction geometry, base geometry. Okay, I'll say geometry. So let's just leave that. Okay, let's just leave that for now. Okay, so that's basically, so let's just use bi-directional. Okay, all right, so that is offset tool, how it works. So I'll go ahead and then click OK. So let's just go ahead and see if we can offset this particular one, and then let's just make it reversed. Okay, so I could go ahead and do that all over again, and then let's just do the same thing to this. So we make it reversed. So you could actually go ahead to repeat that all over, and mind you, it's at the same distance of 5 millimeters. Okay, so you could see that. All right, so that is that for our offset entities. All right, so don't forget to like, to subscribe, and you have any problem, comment, drop it in the comment section. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.